If you run an e-commerce store and you're still chasing keywords, you're already behind. In this quick video, I'll show you 5 fast fixes to stop your store from disappearing in Google, Perplexity, and ChatGPT AI-powered search results. Welcome to AI Search News. I'm Connie, your AI-powered news anchor from Connected Markets. And in the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to keep your store visible, while your competitors get buried by AI-powered search engines. Headline 1. Studies by the Search Engine Journal indicate that AI overviews appear in nearly half, 47%, of all search results, and can occupy up to 48% of mobile screen space, with even higher percentages when featured snippets are included. Why it matters. Your product pages and blog posts may be pushed below a giant AI answer. If you're not cited in cited, you don't exist. Headline 2. OpenAI is testing a native shopping experience inside ChatGPT. Why it matters. Users can now search for products, compare prices and reviews, and click on direct shoppable links, all within the ChatGPT chat interface. This feature is available to all users, including those on free, plus, and pro plans, as well as logged out users, and it covers categories like fashion, beauty, home goods, and electronics. Headline 3. Perplexity is adding shopping and product feed integrations. Why it matters. Perplexity is aggressively expanding its shopping and product feed integrations, marking a significant shift in how consumers discover and purchase products online. By enabling users to search for, compare, and buy products directly within its chat interface, often with just a single click, Perplexity is positioning itself as a next-generation, AI-powered alternative to traditional shopping platforms like Google Shopping. AI now summarizes the web instead of linking to it. Here are 5 visibility wins that ecomm brands can implement this week. 1. Front-load your product answers. Add a short 2-line summary at the top of every product and collection page. Use customer language. These summaries often get pulled into AI answers. 2. Add product schema or get skipped. Use JSON LD to add product, FAQ, and review schema to every page. Tools like JSON LD for SEO, TM, or Shopify apps like Schema Plus make it easy. 3. Feed the models. Keep your Google Merchant Center, product feeds, and YouTube videos current. Make sure your About page matches your brand's Crunchbase and social profiles for trust. 4. Compress your content for AI. Answer top buyer questions, like is it machine washable, in under 40 words. Format them as mini FAQ blocks with schema markup. 5. Track your AI visibility. Use tools like rankscale.ai to see where your products are showing up, or missing entirely, in AI answers. It's like Google Analytics for AI search. Here's your strategy tip of the week. Open your last 10 customer support chats or DMs. Write clear, concise 3-line answers to each common question. Post them as an FAQ section on your product or help pages, marked up with schema. You'll be surprised how fast those answers show up in Google AI overviews and Perplexity cards. AI search isn't the future. It's your storefront right now. Only 1 or 2 brands get named in AI answers. Subscribe for weekly updates, or take the free AI search visibility quiz at connectedmarkets.com. Until next week, I'm Connie. Stay visible.